If you have a Vespa Primavera or Sprint 150cc 3-valve Vespa and you're wanting more performance out of it, this Reveno Clutch paired with the Reveno Variator kit is the absolute ticket. So inside your Vespa, you're going to have a very old technology clutch that looks like this. It works kind of like drum brakes. On a drum brake, as you pull the brakes, pads kick out and it hits a hub. On a clutch, on a traditional clutch like this, the faster this spins, the more these clutch pads kick out on these pivot points, and it grabs the bell, and that's how you accelerate. This is your traditional clutch and bell. Very, very heavy and not the best solution given the technology we have nowadays. This is a very, very unique clutch. This is a Reveno. And going back to, you know how a variator works? There's little rollers that look like this. And there's 6 of them. And as the variator spins, it kicks out these rollers, just like, you know, when you're a kid on a merry-go-round, you spin it, the faster you go, the more you get kicked out. If you're a fat kid, then you're the last one to get kicked out. The light kids fly off first. That's kind of the analogy. So on the variator, the lighter weight you go, the higher the overall engine RPM. As you know, on a Vespa, the goal is fuel economy, not performance. When we're doing these variator kit and also the clutch, we're throwing all the fuel economy out the window and we're going for performance. You can't have both. It's one or the other. So this is our variator kit for the 150cc 3-valve Vespas. And the idea is this variator has gone through a lot of testing. It's got better ramps and things like that. But the idea is to raise the overall engine RPM by lightening the rollers, which we include 10, 11, and 12 gram rollers. We tighten up the clutch pulley so when the belt spins around, it's not slipping within the pulley with this stronger spring. We even include a different variator boss. This variator boss paired with this little spacer is going to give it more performance than the stock. The whole idea here is performance. So that's the variator. And going back to this very unique clutch, it works the same way as a variator. I wanted to go over the variator first so you understood. It's got little rollers in here. And as the spin, the rollers kick out just like the variator, except for the difference is those rollers come up and it locks these clutch pads in place. It works a lot like a motorcycle clutch. So you don't have a traditional clutch like this anymore. You're going to be over a pound lighter, depending on the model, could be up to 2.5 pounds. And then you got your beautiful bell, which sits on top here. You gotta line these up, but look at that, look at that. So imagine this inside on your variator and your clutch. Just look at those beautiful parts. This will dramatically increase the takeoff speed with the variator and the grabbing power with the clutch. You can buy the clutch by itself, comes just like this, or you can buy the CVT kit, which comes with everything, or just buy the variator. We've got them on the website. It even comes with sticker pack. Oh yeah.